Hey guys, look what we have. We have our October Kiwi Club kit. Yay. So excited. Anyway guys, this is a collaborative video. Don't forget to hop on to my co-creative partners videos. Links are down in the description below. Every comment that's put in for our videos, we will collect them all together and we will draw for a grand prize to win something special from Kiwi Lane. Anyway guys, let us go and open this. I'm so excited. I'm looking forward to this. So let's see what we have here. Oh, homegrown harvest. Oh, I love the fall season. So here's our kit, homegrown harvest. And then these are the different templates that come with it. And then these templates here are special for the month. So avail of them until the end of this month at 15% off. So we do have our page protectors or corner protectors. Love this. And anyway, let's start off with looking at our templates. And here we go. So we have them as a set. This is 3s 6. We have the 3s 3 here. We have the trunks here for 3s 2. We have 3s 4. We have 3s 1, and then of course we have 3s 5. And then I'm going to put this on the side. Let me show you and go through this real quick, the cards that are included in this kit. So guys, here are the cards. These are the 3x4s. So I'm going to go through this fast as normal. And then we have the 4x4s and the 4x6s. And then my favorite part, you guys, the papers. I'm gonna look for pictures and think of a layout for this kit. I'm so excited. I love fall, and I'm thinking I could use this for Thanksgiving pictures. So I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So I will be using Madison Avenue 3A and 3B, and I will also be using Madison 1A and 1B, and I will be using all the templates that came with the kit. So I've already printed pictures here. Kept my husband's head off, but hey. So we're also going to be using these papers here. And then we're also using 4 papers here that we're going to also use front and back off. Let's get going and start creating. We're going to trace, we're going to cut, and then we're going to ink. I'll trace my Madison 3A and 3B here. So of course, once you've traced this marries up, and all I'm going to do now is just going to do a straight line so I know where to cut later. Next, what we're going to cut are our Madison 1A and 1B, and we are going to use the grass here, and this is the back. We're going to use the back for the branches. So let's start with this one. I'm going to start it with here. That basically traces the second half, and I'm just putting that on. All right, so right now what I plan to do is trace the branches. I'm gonna trace the branches kind of backwards. So I'm gonna do it this way. Then I'm going to do this way, and I'm gonna turn this here. So That's how I'm going to trace them. So it kind of hopefully saves on the paper. And notice I turned them around because later I want them, because we want the brown at the back. So it's now time to cut. And for the straight lines, I like using my trimmer. And then we're going to use my detailed scissors for the rest of the cutting here. Right back after I cut all these embellishments. Okay guys, we're able to cut all of our embellishments here. I'm a little excited because of the trees. We're actually able to use our templates for this month on the layout that I'm planning to play with. So I'm going to go ahead and ink the edges of our embellishments, and that's to hide the pencil marks. And also in my case, I like to do this because I need to hide the white core of the paper, and not only that, just to highlight the embellishments, because sometimes they end up looking like they're just blending in. So I just want to highlight each of the embellishments, because guess what guys, we took our time to cut them. So that's like what I want to do, is to make sure that all of them are highlighted. Let me finish this and I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm done putting or inking my trees, my embellishments. I'm excited to put on together the trees. So I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing them down with wet adhesive, so I can move them still, because the wet adhesive does give us time to, you know, play with our placement. I think I'm going to do it this way for this. Put it on top. And then we have this other long one, and I'm also going to do the same thing. And then this one, I'm going to invert it. So it's just, this is this way, so I'm just going to invert it. There you go. Let's put our page together. So I'm going to start off at the top here. This is going to be the top. I'm just putting it upside down right now. I have to find the orientation for the photo. Make sure that it's not going to be out of place later. So I'm going to put this down here. And then I plan to put this here. Right there. So it's tall enough. So I'm going to use my wet glue for this so I can still move it around if I need to. It will help if I open it. I was thinking of putting this somewhere here, maybe like so. I want to put this here, and then this one over here. Let me see. You know what? Let's do this. Yeah, like that. So let me put this down here so I know where it's gonna go. There you go. And then this too I'll mess with later. Let me tack this down first. gonna go ahead and tack this down. Know where the orientation is for the other 2 3s, and right there. I hope it's straight. And then we're going to put this down here and this one over here. I don't know, guys, I'm trying to figure out because I need to put it up to put my title too. So I'm going to put this on the next one, I think, because I want the title to come here. And then our title, hopefully it will fit, will be Blessed. And I'm using the marquee chipboard stickers here. So let's see. I don't think it'll fit, guys. It won't fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play with it and put the tree anyway, and then we're going to this other tree here, and then hopefully my my title can fit on the other side. Okay, so this is the left side of the layout. We're going to put here the right side of the layout. So again, this is I'm working upside down here, guys, for the border on top. There you go. And then we're going to put this heel over here. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna tack these pictures down. And we're going to put our title Blessed down here. So we're putting our title down here. I'm going to try and use my ruler here to make sure that everything is straight. Okay, so let's start tacking this down. I'm going to use my 11th finger here. Here's our 2-page layout, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm truly blessed, guys. Blessed to have my family, my kids, my husband, my friends, and of course you guys. I mentioned it in a previous video. I'm really truly blessed to be able to do this, share my simple layouts with you guys, and hopefully you guys like what you're seeing. If you like this layout, guys, by the way, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel or have been watching for a while and haven't subscribed yet, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe, please. And to my Scrappiness family, thank you again for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget, this is a collaborative video with my creative partners over at Kiwi Lane. Do not forget to go ahead and check the links down at the bottom, and then hop onto those videos and make sure you comment on those videos. Anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.